Hello guys, this is Siv and today we'll discuss about the modifiers in vector in C++. So under the modifiers we have some public member functions which we can use to modify our vector. So let's understand these public member functions with the help of examples. So here you can see first modifier pushback. So using the pushback modifier we can insert the element in our vector mvec. So here I am just inserting the element multiple of 20. So pushback will insert the element from the back to our vector mvec, and here I am just printing those elements whatever I have inserted with the help of pushback modifier. Another public member function is popback. So using the popback we can remove the last element from our vector. So here I am just removing the last element from my vector mvec. So again here I am just printing after removing the last element. I am printing the elements. Next public member function is insert under the modifier. So here I am just inserting the element 200 at index 3 in my vector mvec, and again I am just printing the element after inserting the element 200. Another public member function is erase. So here I am just erasing the element at index 3. So after erasing I am just again printing my vector mvec, the element of my vector. And another public member function is in place. So at index 1 I am just putting element 10 in my vector mvec. So here again I am just printing the element after placing the element 10 at index 1. In place back means here I am passing the element 300. So 300 will be inserted at the end of my vector mvec. So using the in place back we can insert the element at the end of our vector, or we can say we can construct the element at the end of our vector. Using the clear public member function we can see here I am just printing the size of my vector mvec, and here I am just clearing my vector mvec, and again I am just printing the size to check after clearing what will be the size of my vector mvec. So here output you will see the 0. So when I will run the program you will see, and here I am just checking the swap public member function. So here I just took the two vector mvec1 mvec2. In mvec1 I have the element 10 and 20. In mvec2 I have the element 40 and 50, and here I am just printing the element of my mvec1 and mvec2, and now here I am just swapping the element of my mvec1 and mvec2 with each other. So after swapping again I am just checking what are the elements in my vector mvec1 and mvec2. So let's see the result. So let me compile the program. So my program has been compiled successfully. Now let me run the program. So here you can see the output. So after pushback I have these elements 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So let me go to the code to show you pushback here. So whatever element I have inserted multiple of 20, you can see all those elements. Pop back, last element has been removed, that is 100 has been removed. So you can see the remaining element here, pop back. I am just at index 3 inserting the 200. So at index 3 I have the 200, you can see here. And erase. At index 3 I am erasing the element. So at index 3 I have a 200, so it has been removed. You can see the remaining element. In place, at index 1 I am putting the 10 I'm inserting, or I can say I am constructing the element 10 at index 1. So you can see at index 1, let me show you in place. At index 1 I have a 10. So 10 has been constructed at this index 1. In place back, 300 will be constructed at the end of my vector mvect. You can see in place back 300 at the end of my vector. You can see. Now next is size, means a clear public member function. So we can check the size. So before clear I have a size 7. So you can count these elements. These are the 7 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have a size 7. After clear I have a size 0. You can see after clear I have a size here 0. So clear will clear all the elements from my vector. Same for the swap. You can see before swap mvect1 has the element 10, 20. mvect2 has the element 40, 50. You can see mvect1, mvect2, 10, 20, 40, 50. After swap I'm getting mvect1 40, 50, mvect2 10, 20. So element has been swapped. You can see. So hope guys you got the idea how to use the modifiers to modify the vector. So do practice. Thank you so much. Bye bye.